Welcome to the BTEC National Extended Certificate in IT. This course is equivalent to one A-level. Alongside A-levels, BTEC Nationals are the most widely recognised qualification for admission to higher education. This is a very practical course that focuses on IT technology that can support businesses. These courses are vocational at Level 3. They provide specialist work-related learning across a range of sectors. BTEC Nationals are designed to equip students with the specialist knowledge, practical skills and understanding they need to progress along their chosen learning and career paths. Young people are more work-ready with good organisational and real-world practical skills. If you study a BTEC, study how IT can be used to promote and support a business. The course is highly regarded by both higher education and businesses. It is a Level 3 qualification that provides specialist work-related learning. More employers and higher education institutions than ever are choosing BTEC qualified candidates for their academic and practical knowledge and skills. The course consists of 4 units. The first unit is Information Technology Systems, and this is a written exam which looks at IT systems in a range of situations. It's a traditional exam and it requires you to identify the different technologies a particular company requires. You need knowledge of technical areas such as networking and IT systems to allow you to recommend what a company should use to make them more efficient. Information technology systems have a significant role in the world around us and play a part in almost everything we do. Having a sound understanding of how to effectively select and use appropriate IT systems will benefit you personally and professionally. And the unit will give you a fundamental understanding of all areas of IT, supporting your progression to an IT-related higher education course. The second unit, Creating Systems to Manage Information, is a practical exam where you create and manipulate a database system specified by the exam board. Relational databases are widely used to manage and process data for a business. From the smallest in-house systems to stock control systems or large online retailers, databases are repositories of information that are a significant part of organisational operating requirements. The skills you gain in this unit support progression to IT-related higher education courses and to an employment in a role that requires computing-related expertise. Using social media in business is a coursework unit where you study how businesses develop a social media strategy and plan and implement your own social media strategy. You will explore different social media websites, the ways in which they can be used, and the potential pitfalls when using them for business purposes. You will develop a plan for a business and implement the plan, developing and posting content and interacting with others. Finally, you will collect data on the business use of social media and review the effectiveness of your efforts. Understanding how to use social media for business purposes is useful for employment in information technology and in a variety of business sectors. Also, social media skills are very closely linked with web and mobile application development. The unit gives you a starting point for progression to roles such as social media specialist, content developer and web developer. The final unit you will study is website development. This is a practical-based unit and allows you to understand the principles of designing and creating a functional website, and focuses on the design and development of the website to meet the requirements of the client. Increasingly, organisations rely on websites to serve customers and in some cases to generate revenue. With millions of web pages being created daily, the need for websites to be engaging, innovative and desirable is important. As a developer, you must use sophisticated techniques to capture user interest and to ensure that customers are served. The scripting involved in the development of websites has become crucial. Website developers need to understand and acquire the necessary skills to find the solutions to a variety of scenarios and problems. And in this unit, you will review existing websites, commenting on their overall design and effectiveness, and you'll then use scripting languages. You will reflect on the website design that you make and the functionality using a testing and review process. Now follow some examples of work that students have done. These are examples of work from the Using Social Media unit. Here you can see that students have planned and created posts and also analysed the success of their campaign. These are example pages from the Web Design unit. Again, you can see how students have constructed design proposals for the client, finally they've made the final professional website. Are lacking in certain digital skills. This slide shows some of the gaps that exist. All of these areas are studied during the BTEC IT Level 3 course, giving you the knowledge and skills that companies are looking for. The UK's tech sector is growing at 2.5 times the rate of the rest of the economy, creating exciting jobs that require a range of skills and talent, but the UK is still facing a major digital skills shortage. There are a number of vocational and academic pathways that can provide people with the right technical skills to flourish in the industry. But the IT industry needs more than developers and programmers. It needs people with skills from across the board, such as creativity and critical thinking, meaning that there's something for everyone. There is a much broader range of careers opportunities in the sector than everyone realises, and the BTEC IT course gives you the foundation for many of them. These are some of the jobs and pathways that exist. We also offer an A-level computer science course. If you would like to know more about the BTEC IT or A-level computer science courses, please talk to a member of staff in the computing department here at St Margaret's. Thank you for your interest in our subject.